What is going on, guys? Justin here, back at it again with another mini bike vlog. So I know I said that I was gonna not ride it and whatnot because it needs a lot of work, but I need to go to Giant and get some things done. We made 14 bucks 2 days ago with the scrap metal money, and then I got a free salt hopper which made $34. So I need to swap out a couple ones for a 10. And I figured, I tightened the chain, I figured why not just take the mini bike since it's just right there. And I really don't feel like getting in the Miata right now, so why not make a vlog for you guys before I put this thing away until I get the money to fix it up. It's good enough just to get the Giant back, it'll be fine. So beautiful morning out. Close to that tuttio. My seasonal allergies are pretty bad right now. Not bad enough for it to be a problem. I'll live. Not too bad. parts, but she's meant for now. Just for today and back. And then I'll need to do some work on it. Taking this junk anyways. Maybe taking this thing in front of me before they'd want to take this thing. This thing don't, it's got a charger on it, but don't got a lock. That's, their seasonal allergies are awful. How you doing? Good. I got ones in exchange for a 10, please. Some of them are kind of sticking together a little bit. Just a heads up. Awesome. Thank you. Take care. You too. So I've got to get, I think I'm just going to swap to 6-inch wheels because these 5-inch wheels are kind of small and there's not much options in the market for disc brakes with 5-inch wheels. And I want to get these specific tires. I believe they're called Sun F tires or something, but they only have them for the 6-inch wheels. So we're just going to wait because obviously we're going to focus on the tuttio first. This thing, I mean, I'll still probably have it for vlogs and stuff, but this thing's probably going to be retired once I get the tuttio. We'll see. On occasion. Occasional rides, like I kind of always do with this thing. There we go. Fuel in it, so it doesn't sit with normal gas. We got that ethanol free, non-ethanol content. Color's interesting. No judgment, obviously. Interesting. There's this hidden stop sign. They need to cut that tree for the bush. See it. foot stand's gone. There's no way of fixing it. I need to like weld on something or something. Hold on, let's. Still good enough for the ride home. This is a whole lot more fun. I mean, I love driving the Miata, don't get me wrong. But this was a whole lot more fun than that, that's for sure. This thing is always fun to rip around real quick. I guess we'll just have our feet up like this. How fresh this grass is. God, did a good job. Did a good job on that. But yeah, I think for this thing, once I get the money, 6-inch wheels is gonna be it. And I'm gonna do a disc brake system instead of the drum brake, because the drum brake, as you see, it kind of sucks. It doesn't last long. It's kind of a old-fashioned braking system. So we're gonna do hydraulic brakes once I get the money, or just do, you know, the normal caliper rotor instead of drum. There's a baby, so we're gonna wait here. We'll just wait for them. There's bananas. It's no different than a car or a truck though. So no one should ever complain about this thing's noise. It's too quiet to be a problem. Nobody's heard loud if they think anything of mine is loud. Nobody's heard loud before. Nice coast down the hill. Oh yeah. Alright, that was a lot of fun. I hope you guys are enjoying the content so far, as always, and until the next vlog, whatever it might be, scrap metal in, mini bike in, maybe it's the tuttio, we'll see. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for everyday content. We are pushing content, boys. Peace.